Hello and you're welcome to this video. My name is Joy Eneghalu and I am a digital media consultant for personal brands. You are welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell button because I always upload videos, educational videos that will help your personal brand grow, and I know that you're going to benefit from it. So in this video we are going to be talking about how to create a book cover, a mock-up for your ebook. All right, so because when you're marketing, you want your book to look real and appeal to those that you're selling to, and that's why you need to create a mock-up for it. Now you're looking at my screen and you're seeing Canva. The first step you have to take is to go to canva.com and design your book cover. So in this case, I already pre-designed one, so we're just going to open it and we're going to use that template. So all you need to do is to go to the search bar right here. Here you can just type ebook or book cover. So type book cover and the options will pop. You select and then it takes you to so many options where you can choose from. Amazing. So you can see here it says book cover. You click and yes, you're loaded with lots of options. So I advise that you always tweak the designs because you don't want people knowing that, oh, you went to Canva and you copied everything verbatim to bring to them. So you have to be very creative, and this option is mostly open to those who do not have the funds to pay a graphics designer to design their book. Once your business grows and you're able to afford a graphics designer, I advise that you invest in a graphics designer who will design something far from what Canva has for you. Okay, so moving on, you can see the options. The book covers are loading. So great. So you can see it has different options: romance book cover, thriller, creative book cover. It just depends on what you want. Photo book cover, notebook book cover, children's book cover, art book cover, cookbook cover, illustration, architecture, recipe, novel, food journal, love book. So the options are endless, right? There's something for business, something for fashion. Just click on see all. You can see all here. Just click on all and it gives you options in that particular category. So let's go to the already cover that I designed. Okay, great. So now you see that I have my book cover already designed. I have the name there, monetize your knowledge. I have the subheading and I have my name that's written by me, and then I just have this design showing the brain and all those other stuff. Okay, so I got this cover. Let me show you. I got this cover from, I think, the business cover section. Great, yes, that's where I got it. So you can see I changed the font, I changed the color, I left the background because I wanted something that had this color. I think it's called mint. So you can see it here. So you can always change it, and I used the icon as well. I realized it wasn't paid, and I mean, I was talking about knowledge coming from the brain, the mind. I'm like, okay, fine. So let's go ahead and use it. So I'll just click on all so that you can see the other options that are available, and you can always go there to tweak it. Okay, great. So you can see the options. Yes, great. So you see the options are endless. All you just need to do is to tweak as much as you want. All right, good. So now that we have designed this book cover, this is already pre-designed. All we have to do is to download it. Okay, so you come to download. It's not going to be in PDF, it's going to be in PNG. So make sure you download it in PNG or JPEG, not PDF. Okay, it has to be PNG or JPEG. Personally, I prefer PNG. Then you click on the download button, right? So now that we've downloaded it, the next thing that we have to do is to go to our mockup tool, and the mockup tool we're going to be using is called Smartmockups.com. Smartmockups.com. You can see the name right here, and they've got lots of mockups from technology to print, packaging, apparel, home decor, and social media. You can see here they've got something for laptop, desktop, tablet, watch, TV, and screens, multiple devices. It is totally up to you. E-learning bundles. It is totally up to you. Okay. Now, how to select your mockup that you want to use. So they've got just a few. They've got a few free mockups, and they've also got lots of premium. So you come here and click on all. You can see the highlighted ones, all free books. So you can see that I just selected the free book mockups. Okay, if I had selected premium, you see that it's going to change, and then it's going to give me loads of options. So if you've got little money to spare, I advise that you select any of these options, because of course you can imagine when everybody's using the free and they've just got 4, they've just got 4. I've used this particular one before. Okay, then there's this, and this I have not used. So let's go ahead now and use the Smart Mockup. So we're going to select this one right here. Great. And this is how it opens up. Portrait cover with changeable color. So it says your design here. So we're going to upload that image that we designed from Canva. We're going to upload it right here. Okay, so we're going to upload from upload image. Oh, so you can see it has the option for Canva, but that's a premium version, I suppose, so we won't be able to use that. So we'll just click on monetize your knowledge, PNG, open. Yes, and there. Oh no, that's not what we're looking for. That's not what we're looking for. That's not what we're looking for. Okay, so let me. This is it. PNG. Let's see. Great. So there we have it. Okay, you can see you can adjust it as much as you want, and as you adjust it, you can see it in the book. You can bring it forward if you want. It's totally up to you. Okay. So because we don't want the blue background to show, we're going to keep dragging it. Keep dragging it. Great. So this works. Let me push it a bit. Okay, great. So this works. So it's a live. You can see as you're editing it, you're seeing it right here. And there's so many things you can do. You can align it if you want, as much as you want to align it. You can rotate it. You can flip it. Let me show you how the flipping option works. Okay. So you see it changes up here. To flip it back this way, it changes. But that's not what we're looking for. So we're going to get our book back into shape. Great. So now that we've done this, we'll click on crop and continue. Okay, amazing. So you see how this looks. Do you guys see how this looks? It looks very beautiful, looks so real. It looks, I'm sure that once your audience sees this, they will want to buy it immediately. Okay, so then you can put your branding, but that's a paid option. You can pick a color if you want. That's the color for the background, but we don't need that. We're fine exactly the way we are. So the next thing we have to do basically is to download. So you see that it's as simple as ABC. Okay, you choose your image quality, low, medium, high. We'll just go for medium. and then it's going to download, and you see how simple this is. So our mockup is ready, and we are going to open it up, so we'll see what it looks like. So it's opening, and so let's say show info. Okay, great. It's already opening here. We'll see what it looks like. And the beautiful part of this is because the background of the book itself, the total book itself, it's in PNG. It's a transparent background, so it can be on any background whatsoever that you place it on. That's the beautiful thing about it. Okay, so I think it's taking its time to come up, but I mean, basically you've seen how this works. You've seen how beautiful this looks, right? And I encourage you to go ahead and start practicing. Okay, start practicing, start creating lovely mockups. And who knows, you can even make money creating mockups for people. Yeah, I said that. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Refer this channel to your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.